how you guys doing? I mean, it's been a long time since I'm up on YouTube, right? So I have reasons for that. So yeah, if you're not interested to watch, everything regarding this, and if you want to skip, you can directly skip to this timestamp so that you'll just get into the content of the video. Okay, so I think I should let you know about this. Okay, so it is being hectic for me. Okay, academics, Instagram, work, everything. It's too hectic. Okay, and that is one of the reasons. The second reason is that my concentration is shifted to Bookstagram or Instagram. Okay, so that is the reason that I'm not so supremely active here upon YouTube. And the another reason is that, like, sitting, taking some time, sitting down, creating content, and then execute that. Take care of all of this. Lights, camera, everything, and then filming it, okay, and then editing it. Like, YouTube videos are damn shitty long, okay. The reason is that I talk a lot, but what I talk is a point. I don't blabber a lot, okay. And editing them, it is such a big task. Like, there are days where I've edited a 40-minute long video into 15 to 20-minute video that I've uploaded up on YouTube. I mean, it is so damn hard to create content, execute it, and everything, okay? Because this is not the only thing that I do. I have a lot of other things to do. So that is the reason it is being so difficult for me to, make and create content on YouTube. But today, no. We are going to, start, I'm going to be back upon YouTube, okay? So basically, this month is an exemption. I will be concentrating much more time upon YouTube, because in the month of December, at the end, we are going to make a series where 11 days continuously 11 videos will be uploaded for you guys. So we'll talk about that later, okay? So yeah, so getting into the video, all of the books that I bought are from My Secret Bookshelf. So this is an amazing bookstore, you guys. So this is my first time shopping with them. So without any further delay, let's get into the video. Disclaimer, it's been about 4 or 3 months that I bought these books from My Secret Bookshelf. I mean, I filmed a video to upload it upon IGTV, but that video is not, so good to upload, okay? So that is the reason I'm filming it again for YouTube. So I bought 3 books from them, so let's get into it. First book that I bought from My Secret Bookshelf is The Lady in the Mirror by Charvashi Sthita. So this is my first book by the author that I've read, but this is her second book which she has written, okay? And I've read her first book after reading this, and that is Tip the Skin. That is also an amazing beginner-friendly book, and this is also a beginner-friendly book. This is in fictional genre and it is anthology. It contains about 10 or around short stories in it. All of them are so beautifully crafted and designed. I mean, I've never expected that someone would write anthology in such a beautiful way, and I fell in love with her writing. It is so amazing, you guys. And it is a very short book. It contains about 130 pages in it, and it is a short read for me, should accept that. But this is my first anthology book that I've read, like I've ever read. That is the reason it took me a little bit of more time. But other than that, it is a short read. If you're a beginner and looking for an anthology book that would really, connect to you a lot, then pick this book up. So basically, in my hauls, I just don't use the product. It could be product or book. I don't use it or read it before I film the haul. But as I already told you, it's been about 3 to 4 months that I ordered these books, and I have received about 3 to 4 months back. I obviously read this book because it is so short. So yeah, so please do excuse me for that. With that, the cover page and the title of the book are something that have really, made me intrigued to pick this book up. Otherwise, I wouldn't, pick this book up maybe, but because of the title and the cover page, I picked this book up. The second book that I bought from my secret bookshelf is Laila, A Constant Blur by Sahil Bamfri. It is an author signed copy. I'm so happy for that. And you can see the logo here. It is, yeah, okay. It is 2019 selection book picked by my secret bookshelf. You can see it right here. This is the author signed copy. Like, I'm so happy. Okay. So I don't know, like I felt connected with the book the moment I saw it. That is the reason I picked this book up. I don't have any other reasons. This book connected to me. I don't know. I haven't read it by the way, but I really want to read it. Like because of the review project, I'm reading two books at a time. But I like to read one book at a time. But because of deadlines and everything, I'm reading two books at a time. But with concentration, because I really believe that if you can give a product, a book, or anything, a movie, or whatever it is, a review can give the utmost hype, or it can reduce the hype as well. Like reviews have that power. So before I upload a review, I will check it 1,000 times. Okay, so yeah. But I really want to read this book. Like, I just want to read this book. I just want to dive deep into this. Whenever I'm reading this book, right, I'll just read this book, like one book at a time, okay? Like, then you will get into the book deeply, and that is what I feel. And I really want to dive deep into this book, as I already told to you. So, I don't know, like, just because I had felt that I got connected with this book, I picked this book up. I'm sure that it won't disappoint me. But yeah, you will see my review very soon once after I read the book. Last book that I bought from my secret bookshelf is Incredia by Sarang Mahajan. So this is how the cover page looks like. It's breathtaking. And then this is how it looks from inside. It looks so beautiful. And yes, you guys, like I have some problems with this book only, because if you see, there are some marks. Since the day I've received this book, there are some marks. You can see them here also. I don't know whether you can see it or not, but except this, I don't have any problem with the service or anything like that. But just this, this marks and everything, because books are prized possessions for everyone out there. And so I just felt that it could be better. But except that, I don't have any problems with the service or anything. By the way, you guys, you can see how thick this book is. It is so thick. So I haven't read this yet. We'll read it very soon. Yes, you guys, we finally completed this video. Like after editing, this video will be about 6 to 10 minutes, but it is about 20 minutes long, like when I'm filming. So that is the problem with YouTube videos. Like I talk a lot, or I might misspell a word or mispronounce, or a lot of shit happens. But yeah, so that's it, you guys. Hope you all like this haul video. We'll be back with another amazing video for you all. Till then, take care. Bye.